guys, it's Zena. Welcome back to my channel, and if you don't know me, I teach you how to make delicious plant-based recipes from the comfort of your own home. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious and comforting vegan saag or Palak Paneer. It's an Indian-inspired dish with creamy spinach curry and crispy chickpea tofu. Now, before I get into this recipe and show you how to make it, I just want to ask that you please subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any new recipes or vegan content. Your support is really what keeps this channel going so I can keep providing you with quality, consistent content. Now let's get into it. We'll start off by making the chickpea tofu. Pour 1 cup of chickpea flour into a bowl. Add nutritional yeast for a cheesy flavor, salt, turmeric for color, black pepper, and 2 cups of water. Add some lemon juice and whisk until it's very smooth and no lumps remain. Grease a pan and turn the heat to medium. Pour in your chickpea batter and you're going to whisk constantly. Over time, it will thicken into a polenta-like consistency. Just keep on whisking until it has thickened completely and none of the chickpea batter drips down from your whisk. Get a loaf pan ready with some parchment paper. Once it has thickened like so, you're going to pour the chickpea batter into the loaf pan, and then you're going to want to smooth it out into a rectangular shape. Then refrigerate it for half an hour to set. Meanwhile, we'll prepare the spinach curry. Start by dicing half of a large onion for the base. We're also going to chop up some cilantro. Then we're going to blanch the spinach. This is important because it will keep the spinach that beautiful green color. Bring a pot of water to a boil with enough water to cover all of your spinach. Then we're going to submerge all of the spinach in the boiling water. Boil for only 2 minutes and have a large bowl of ice water ready. Once the spinach is done and bright green, drain it. And then put it into the ice water to stop the cooking process. Now our chickpea tofu is firm and ready, so we are just going to chop it up into cubes. Skillet over medium-high heat, add some oil, and then add in your chickpea tofu. Cook the chickpea tofu and keep flipping it until it's browned and crispy on all sides. Now that it's done, set it aside. Now we are going to cook the spinach curry. Add some oil to a pot over medium-high heat and add in your diced onion. Cook the onion until it's translucent and slightly browned. Then add in your garlic and your chopped cilantro. Cook it just for a couple minutes until it's fragrant. This smells amazing. Then add in your drained blanched spinach. Next, we are going to add in our spices. Add turmeric, cumin, garam masala, ginger, salt, and coriander. Stir and cook everything until it's fragrant and aromatic. Next, we'll add in the coconut milk to make it nice and creamy. Then we're gonna puree everything for a smoother texture. I used an immersion blender, but if you don't have one, you can just transfer everything to your blender and then return it to the pot. I used a makeshift splash guard made out of a paper plate to prevent this process from making a mess. Now that we have our beautiful green spinach curry, you can add in your crispy chickpea tofu. I topped this vegan Palak paneer with a drizzle of coconut milk, fresh cilantro, and sesame seeds. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you loved this recipe. If you did, be sure to tell me in the comments below and give it a thumbs up. I can't wait to see you next time.